In this video, I will show you how to set up automatic welcome message on your Instagram DM without any stress. Let me show you how. Open up your Instagram app. Go ahead and click on your profile icon. Proceed to professional dashboard. Go ahead and click on this setting icon. Proceed to welcome message. Go ahead and turn on this. Then enter your welcome message right here. Now you are done. Lastly, go ahead and click on here to go back. Just like so. Now you have it being turned on right here. So if you click on it again, you see your welcome message that's going to be in this section, in these sections right here. You can review and edit it as much as possible as the case may be. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Instagram settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.